Hey guys, do you want to learn how to make this cool text effect in Adobe Illustrator? Then watch this video. This tutorial is actually inspired by a channel called Your Solutions at Home, but I wanted to make an English version of this video. So all credits to that channel, I will link it in the description down below, so please check that channel out. Okay, so for the tutorial, the first thing you need to do is open a canvas. It doesn't matter which size you are choosing, but I have chosen 1920 by 1080 pixels. And the first thing you need to do is on the first layer, you have to create a dark background so the text will appear bright. Okay, so for this one, I have chosen the 07343 and F. Click OK and lock this layer so it doesn't move. Create another layer and choose the text you are going to work with. In this case, this is boom for me. I think the effect is much easier and better if the word is in 4 letters, 2 on top and 2 on the bottom. So make this text white and create outlines. Command-Shift-O, Control-Shift-O on PC. Then we have to ungroup it. Command-Shift-G, Control-Shift-G on PC. Then we have to group 2 of the letters together. Command-G, Control-Shift-G on PC. Like this. And then we just eyeball it in the center beneath the BO, like this. And then we group it, place it in the middle like so. And just use this one to combine the shapes so it's only one layer. That would work best. So now we can see the layers, the background color, and we have the boom layer. Then we have to switch this color to a stroke and make the stroke 3 points. Then we click copy and paste in back. And for this one, we are going to scale it down, 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 down. I actually wanted to zoom in a little bit more to actually get this as small as possible. Not too small though, but small enough. Okay, so now we can see in the layers, we have these 2 groups here. So now we are going to select everything and go to Object, Blend, and Blend Options. Here we have to choose Specified Steps and just put in 100. Not 1000, but 100, that's okay. Like so. And when those 2 words are marked, we are then going to once again go to Blend and this time Make. So we have this cool effect now. In the layers again, choose the small layer here, the small text, this one, and go to Effect, Distort and Transform, and Transform. Make this -40 and hit OK, like so. When this layer is still marked, we are going to use the eyedropper tool and just eyedrop the background color like this. And for the effect to appear, we have to go to this arrow right here, hold in Shift like so, and press this one. And now you can see we have the 3D dimensional effect on the word. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.